So we have this one, teenager way. We also have the red flag. We also got the cherish in either way. So gusto sabihin ng Panginoon, i-cherish mo yung red flag or pansinin mo si red flag. Kasi yung red flag na yun yung dahilan kung ba't ka merong imbalance or may stagnancy sa iyong buhay. Next that we have is this one in reverse. We also got the loose here. And we have for you with love. And we have this one. So, I'm sensing talaga na gusto ng Panginoon na dahil sa mga red flags, kaya nangyari yung mga misfortunes sa iyong buhay. Meron ka siguro mga nakikita na warning. Okay, so gusto ng Panginoon na huwag mong baliwalain yung warning niya. Kasi if ever you actually acknowledge it, maiwasan yung mga bagay na hindi maganda pangyayari sa iyong buhay. Ganun din with regards sa relasyon. We also have this one here in reverse, and we also have this, okay? So, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na siguro hindi talaga kayo cautious sa inyong paligid. Maybe you were thinking na okay lang yung lahat, but in reality, hindi naman. So, gusto sana sabihin ng Panginoon na don't take for granted yung mga signs niya para sa inyo. Kasi God is actually doing the best that He can to protect you from harm. At saka minsan kaya mga bagay-bagay ay nangyayari at hindi natin naiwasan kasi nga hindi natin napansin yung mga signs na pinapakita ng Panginoon. So anyway, that's it guys with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about your situation. And God bless all of you.